Let me show you how to hard reset your 4K action camera. So if you have some problems, or simply you want to give it to someone else, or simply change back to the original settings, we can actually very easily do it. So first we are simply going to use this mode button. So as see, if I press it, I can first switch to the photo mode, and also the where you can see videos, and also basically this settings menu. So you see, and then I can use these buttons here. So, and we are going to go all the way down here. So over here, so you see we have reset system. So if you do it, basically it will reset everything basically on system to accept, basically, okay, do the factory reset. Yeah, basically. So let's do it. Let's see what happens. So you see, yeah, basically. Yep, as said. Also, you can also format the memory card here as well. So if you have some problems, basically this card doesn't work that you have inserted, also make sure to go over here and format the memory card. It will also prepare in the correct format to be used in this camera here as well. So you see, and pretty much all done. Okay, good luck.